Good morning everyone. Today is International Nurses Day. So for our assembly I'm going to talk to you about somebody who shaped what nursing and hospitals look like today. Have you ever been poorly and had to go to hospital? I bet when you've been, you've noticed how clean and tidy the hospitals are and how busy the nurses and doctors are running around looking after everybody and making sure that they're safe and healthy. Well, hospitals didn't used to be like that, and nursing was also very, very different. That's until somebody called Florence Nightingale came. She was born around 200 years ago and decided she wanted to be a nurse. At that time, hospitals were dirty places with not very good equipment, and people actually rarely got better. The people who were nurses didn't have any training, they weren't paid to do their job. So actually, it wasn't a very good time. But then Florence Nightingale decided she wanted to be a nurse. She trained to how to look after people properly, and she learned how to make sure hospitals were clean, safe places so that people could get better. In fact, when a war happened quite a long time ago, she was asked to take a team of nurses and look after the wounded soldiers who had been coming back from the war and dying just because the places where they were kept weren't very clean and there weren't any people there to look after them properly. So she managed to get lots of new equipment to make sure the hospitals were clean and safe, and to train up all the nurses so they knew how to care and look after the soldiers, and then lots of people got better. It's thanks to Florence Nightingale that nursing is what it is today. And we're very grateful to the lady with the lamp. I'm sure you'd agree that we are very fortunate to have the hospitals and the nurses that we do have today so that we can be cared for and looked after, especially with what is going on at the moment. What the World Health Organization has asked of us is to shine a light to show that we are thinking about those nurses and how fortunate we are and how wonderful they are. I'd love to see in the comments your candles that you are shining for all of those people. I really hope you've learnt something in our assembly today. Please take care, please stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.